Nokia 770 disassembly. Be sure to be connected to the earth connection box and your ESD wristband. You will need the following tools: a dental pick, a Torx screwdriver size 6+, a slotted screwdriver, metal tweezers, the SRT6 and a DC plug. Remove the C cover assembly. Do not use protective film, as removing it later might damage the touchpad. Take special care with the display module during the disassembly. Remove the battery cover. Remove the stylus. Remove the screw covers. Unscrew the 5 screws in the following order and remove them. Open the cover snaps with the SRT6. To avoid dust and scratches to the display surface, use a clean cloth when separating the A cover from the B cover. Remove the A cover from the fastening cover by opening it like a book. Remove the fastening cover and the key mats. Release the plastic clips of the frame assembly. Avoid bending the metal of the battery holder. Remove the combined frame assembly and module from the B cover. Carefully open the display connector with the SRT6. First, slightly lift up the spring securing the flex and then ease the flex back. You are now able to remove the display module. Carefully disconnect the key mat flex connector with the SRT6. Open the plastic snaps and remove the engine module. Being careful to avoid damage to the spring contacts of the IHF speaker. Ease out the microphone with the dental pick. Use the DC plug to unlock the DC jack before removing it with tweezers. Unlock the antenna assembly as shown and remove it. Remove the MMC cover by swinging it over and easing it out from the side. The disassembly procedure is now complete.